yoga helps you to mentally prepare yourself to step over that boundary, to stay and remain calm, and to use your breath in the diving to find your buoyancy and to enjoy the experience as well.
It's been such a pleasure to come here with zero knowledge of this part of the island and this part of Bali.
Everyone's mindset is in one place. It's so good to just bounce off each other.
Plus the feeling that you get underwater is just like, it's really amazing. You feel, I don't think I've heard anyone say it like this before, but I felt like a superhero basically.
It was my second time doing acro yoga and it was amazing. A lot of photo opportunities.
I don't know, it's kind of like an out-of-body experience. It was just like being in a whole new world, and I was calm and happy and so beautiful down there.